So the final verdict here is actually pretty interesting. It's not a simple guilty or not guilty for everyone. Muhammad Aslam, the guy who was named a month late, was acquitted of everything. He walked free. But for Irfan and Tanveer, the two men from the very first story, it was different. The court threw out their convictions for abduction and rape, but, and this is key, it kept their convictions for attempted murder and for causing her injuries. So the court was basically saying, look, we know she was brutally attacked. That's a fact. But the prosecution's whole story about how and why that attack happened, that just wasn't proven.
And that really leaves us with a tough question to think about, doesn't it? This case is such a powerful reminder of how our justice system is supposed to work. The burden is always on the prosecution, and when you have stories that change and evidence that just doesn't line up, the system isn't designed to pick the most shocking or dramatic story. It's designed to lean toward the one, and only the one, that can be proven beyond all reasonable doubt.
And this gets to a core principle of our legal system, right? Reasonable doubt. It's not enough for the prosecution to just say, hey, here's a story of what could have happened. No, they have to build a case that's so strong, so airtight that there's no other logical way to explain the facts. If there's any reasonable doubt, the case fails.
Okay, so the court is looking at all of this, all these inconsistencies.